Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, come on, Paco, say hello, hey, hello. He's always gonna be here, so guys, get used to it. He's my little partner in crime. Say hello. Say hello. His name is Paco. So today I'm here to review the Dragun Beauty. I'm reading it from the website because it's kind of like a mouthful. It's called the Dragunegg Transformation Kit. I'm gonna say the only reason why I bought the transformation kit is because I am a big Game of Thrones fan, and of course I got sold on the egg. So I'm gonna tell you the truth. I didn't know much who she was, but I knew she was just beautiful. I mean, I knew she is. She used to be a boy, and now she's a woman, and she's just gorgeous. So I love the way that she looks, how she does her makeup. And I have tried several products, primarily like to help me with some of the age spots that I have on my face. I have some over here. They're getting better because I've been using some retinol and some prescription that the doctor gave me. I have another one here from me being too mean for a pimple. And I also have, because this is my last one, I have a little bit right here on top of my eyebrows. Not too many, but I do have some spots, and I thought, well, if they can cover her 5 o'clock shadow that she says she had, it has to help me with this. So I'm going to start playing with it. I did watch her video to see how she used it. Of course, she puts way more than what I think I'm going to play with. I'm just going to put it where I have the dark spots, and then I'm going to try to sheer it out with, I did bring my beauty blender, but I think I'm going to try a brush. And then we'll go from there. Right now I only have my primer. I have that touch-up primer, and I just put it on, and that's all I have. This is the big box where the product comes in, and it's super cute. So when you open the package, you get this part that says "Live Your Fantasy XOXO." So that's kind of cute. I'm sure that's her saying. Then you get this outstanding. I mean, look at her. She is so pretty. It's an inspiration. And yeah, very pretty. I was tempted to only buy what she called the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. But when I saw the egg, yeah, if you like if you like Game of Thrones, yes, they sold me. I almost wanted to come out of the fire. And I'm hoping I get my baby dragon. Well, I'm happy with Paco, so yeah, you open it, and then it kind of breaks apart like that. The egg has like a little shell. They have the dazzle option of it. I paid for this kit, it was the $55. And this kit is called the Dragunegg Transformation Kit. And then you open it, and you have in one side, which is this one, and that one is called the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder, and this one is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. So these are the two products that come with it. If you wanted to buy it individually, the Dragon Potion will be $25, and if you wanted to buy just the face powder, this one is going to be $35. So you do get a little bit of a discount if you buy the whole kit together. If you wanted to do the collector item is called Eyes Out Dragunegg Transformation Kit. And that is what, I'll insert the picture somewhere. It's like the one that had the little, it looks like little stones following the shape of the dragon egg kind of here. So that's all it is. So let's play with it. Let's start playing with it, and we'll see how it works. I'm gonna try zooming you into a little bit more to hope you can see my face. I think that's good. That's good. I don't actually need to zoom in anything. So hold on, Paco. Come on, Paco, behave, okay? Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna use, instead of using my beauty blender, because when I use the beauty blender, it tends to pick up the product. Maybe I don't know how to use it that well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my little the little box. She did really a good job with the packaging. I mean, the little packaging here looks like the same the sign of the egg, and then it says Dragun Beauty. This perfecting potion, it's supposed to have also skin benefits. It has almond oil. It also has shea butter and also some other anti-aging. I'm looking outside and I thought I saw a snake, but there's not a snake. It has almond oil. It also has shea butter, and it has other skin benefits. So let's give this a try, and I'm gonna put it on my little spots that ripen nuts. And I do hope it works because I try so many, and I can always, especially the ones above my eyebrows. So let me try this. Put this one here, and then I'm gonna put a little bit up here, just right above these little 3 dots. And then also above my lip, I have a little bit brown. So let's try that. And I have way more, but just for now, I'm gonna do this here, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. So you can see my little dots. Of course, when she is showing in the video that she uses way more than me, but so I don't have like a lot of full coverage foundation that I use daily. I just wanted to go with what I need. So when I use correctors, usually what I do is I kind of wet, like I have this Sigma concealer. I really like this brush. This is called Sigma Precision Angle P84. It's from Signma Beauty. I don't remember how much I paid, but I'm gonna see if they still have it. I'll link it down below. So I just spray it and kind of like get it like pretty wet on my hand. And then I just try to shear out a little bit where I put the what's it called? The corrector potion. All right. So you can see that it looks a little bit more shaded out. So just try to only like make sure that you have the corrector where you need it. Like don't try to put it all over the face, because the idea is to try to balance out the whole skin. It dries out very quickly, so don't just put it on and then go and you know, make your coffee and then come back and try to shear it out, because it does dry out very quickly, which is good because we know it's going to stay where you put it. It is very, very orange, so I'm a little bit nervous. Let me just make sure it's well blended. Maybe I need to use the beauty blender. Let's see. My beauty blender has been through better times. My dog got a hold of it, so it has some love marks. Okay, so let me try it like this. Okay, this is how we look, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my foundation. I use foundation L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear, and my color is 470. So I just like put it with my fingers, and then I use the beauty blender to make it better, right? I'm gonna try just to place it like this so I don't spread out the corrector. Okay. I just realized I need to color my hair. So of course you can play with it. Now we're gonna go and do this. So if I see, or if I think that I'm gonna need a little bit more, I'll just put a little bit more foundation where I can see the orange. I'm not a beauty artist. I mean, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't think I am an expert on this. I'm just like a normal person trying to even out the skin color. So I will probably be the actual normal customer. What do we think? Do we think it covered me? Put a little bit more on the here on my eyebrows to make sure. It's really good on the sides on my cheeks. You know where I have a little bit longer, like a little bit larger brown spots. It helped on my lip as well, but honestly, the top of my eyebrows is where I have the darkest brown spots. So maybe that area, I probably needed to go with concealer instead of using the Tarte Shape Tape to work in that area. So this is a different brush, one of the 8 Cosmetics double-ended. I just the other one I use it for the potion, so I don't want to put more orange on my face. I think it looks really good, really good. I think you can still see a little bit here, but I can live with that. I'm not mad at that. I am fine. That's okay. I mean, you're really gonna have to be like in my face to be able to see that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish my makeup, and then I'm gonna see how to use the powder. I usually don't use powder on my face because your skin gets drier as you get older. So I don't want to put too much powder because then it starts settling everything in your wise lines. So let me finish my makeup and then I'll come back, okay? Okay, so I just finished putting all my makeup on and I think it looks really good. I think it covered, like if you have to really be up close, like you really have to be up close to my face to see anything. So I am super happy with the results. So far, this regular makeup, I didn't use any extra concealer other than what you saw me applying. And I'm gonna try now let's try that powder to see what it does. While I was getting ready, I watched the video that you can find on the website for Dragun Beauty Cosmetics to see how to use it. And this face powder is not a setting powder. It's primarily a highlighting powder. So it kind of highlight to be, to highlight right here under the eyes, or you want to highlight up here, or, just how they use it to like just highlight their face. So it comes with 2 different colors. This one is like between pink. This color is like the peachy. And then the second color, I like the shape. It's like the 2 hearts. And the other one is yellow. So usually, or that's what I read, for my skin color, it's better to use this to highlight. But let's do this. I'm going to try this color in this eye and that color on the other eye. And then we'll see how I look. And I'm not sure you will even see anything, but let's give this a try. So I'm just going here and I'm gonna actually look at myself in the camera monitor to see, and they say just to go like this. I don't know if you can see it, but let me wipe this down. Okay, let's go with the other color. And please comment down below if you see anything. I don't see it, but I'm looking at the camera. So now let's do the other color. The other color. And I'm going to go. Well, but I think it does. It actually looks very pretty. I don't know if I will use it every day because you can definitely see like you highlight it. It definitely shows. It's showing more in my monitor than what it's showing in my mirror here. But you can, like in my mirror, I'm worried that I look like I have highlighter. But it's not glittery, it's just a little bit shinier. So, but I do like it. Let's do this. So I'm gonna put now the yellow one where I put the peach to even out. And then I'm gonna put the orange where I put the yellow. Put it over here. So it looks beautiful. I like if I really look the way that I can see myself in the monitor, it looks really nice. So let me spray. And oh, I found this when I was looking. I don't know. I was hoping this will be like a coupon or something, but it's not. This is some dragon money. It's just paper. It doesn't do anything. So. Okay, so let's do the final look. I mean, no final look. My final look in the mirror to see if it is 40-year-old approved or not. Okay. Okay guys, I do recommend this product for people that are a little bit wiser and more mature. It worked for my skin, it covered all my imperfections. I'm super happy I can see my little double line that I have on my upper lip. I see that it covered this completely, my little brown spots from my melasma. And it also covered I have the bigger brown spot right here. It covered it and very nice. It doesn't look dry. It looks very moisturizing. I know I put a little bit of Fix Plus, but this is not a moisturizer. So I like the way that I apply it. If it looks to you like it is a little bit too orange, just always go with a damp beauty sponge and just take it a little bit, so push it into your skin. But I am super happy. I think it looks very, very pretty. I'm definitely looking forward to continue using this. Highly recommend. I think I'm gonna start using the powder. I think it makes me look all shiny and pretty. So it highlights the right spots. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to put any comments and I will appreciate any feedback, and you have any other recommendations for color correcting for somebody that has my skin tone. It will be greatly appreciated because I'm always on the look for the next best thing. So all these new products always come out and I'm dying to try them to see they're gonna help me look more beautiful. So thank you again, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next review. Oh, do not forget to subscribe so you can see me and my friend Paco in your next time.